This video is sponsored by Huatulco Tours and Travel. Hey, we're so ready to take the boat tour now and see all the bays with Huatulco Tours and Travel. And this is our dear guide Christian.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, good morning. Today it's the go to the tour of the bays, okay? For the 2 stops, one stop for the swimming, the second stop for the lunch.
Whee!
Okay?
So exciting! Beautiful here. Such a nice harbor.
You wanna see the world with me? Where do you wanna go? I'm happy to be with you. You wanna see the world with me? Where do you wanna go? I'm happy to be with you. Rome, Paris, London, Mexico. Where do you wanna go? I'm happy to be with you. Happy to be with you. Happy to be with you. Where do you wanna go? Where do you wanna go with me?
This beach over there is a certified clean beach. Playa Órgano. This is Captain Eric. Hey Eric.
Hola, hola.
William. Sailing good. I'm the captain now. I'm actually sailing the ship.
Where do you wanna go? Where do you wanna go? The world is open with me. Where do you wanna go? Where do you wanna go? The world is open with me. Where do you wanna go? Where do you wanna go? The world is open with me.
It's a whale season right now and it's possible to see whales. So let's see if we see some today.
Ahí vamos a tener un poquito de paciencia.
So bonita. Beautiful. So there is no more beautiful thing than this. It's amazing. It's an amazing trip.
Oh, let's go. Oh, let's go. Where do you wanna go with me? Come, let's go.
This is a reef down here where people are snorkeling. I'm not going to snorkel. Other people are going to snorkel and enjoy it. I'm doing so good. It's so amazing here. I really enjoy it. Look at this turquoise color. Beautiful. I'm going to swim very soon. Look, there's a piece of coral line here. And also a oyster shell. Here is not allowed to touch and take anything because it's a very protected area. So we just leave it. It's very cute to see these things. We are in a virgin beach, so everything is very protected here. And the nature is so amazing. It's really, really amazing. Look. There's almost nobody here. Only a few of the people from the boat. Most of the people stay over there. Glam Danesa wants to explore. That's why we are here, right?
Come, let's go. Come, let's go. World is open. World is open.
Now I have the whole beach for myself. jungle. I said to take care of the jungle because there was some wild and dangerous animals and all kind of things. This is so very interesting. Look at that cactus. This is amazing. Yeah, the nice rocks. Just wanted to see how it looked over here. Water's so warm. It's so nice. I love it.
You wanna see the world with me? Where do you wanna go? I'm happy to be with you. You wanna see the world with me? Where do you wanna go? I'm happy to be with you. Rome, Paris, London, Mexico. Where do you wanna go? I'm happy to be with you, happy to be with you, happy to be with you. Where do you wanna go? Where do you wanna go with me? Where do you wanna go? Where do you wanna go? The world is open with me.
If you guys want to see my videos in the future, like and subscribe to my channel.
The world is open with me. Where do you wanna go? Where do you wanna go? The world is open with me. Oh, let's go. Oh, let's go. Where do you wanna go with me?
According to National Geographic, these beaches are amongst the 10 most beautiful beaches in the world. I really think so.
Yo espero que me lleven a San Francisco el primer
Turtle. That's true. Those turtles, amazing 2 turtles. They were so big, swimming around, playing in the water. Yeah. See these mountains here in the background? It's the mountains chain of the south, Sierra Madre del Sur, I think it's called. And that's where they grow all the coffee. The mountains are 1,200 meters high, so they're really high. Up in the clouds. And now we're sailing to the restaurant. It's very nice. It's a beautiful beach. It's amazing. Now sailing for the boat here. I'm sitting here at restaurant Cameroon Gigante and it's so nice. The boat took us here and it's amazing, fresh, nice seafood they have. I love it, love it. Thank you so much for that. They have all kind of shrimps and fish and everything and the prices are really good. They have menu in English also, which helps me to decide what I want. Thank you so much to Cameroon Gigante and Huatulco Tours and Travel. They have taken so good care of us. And thank you so much.
Hola, muy buenas tardes. Mi nombre es Lorena García. Yo soy colaboradora de este hermoso restaurante Camarón Gigante. Está ubicado en la bahía del Maguey. En este restaurante pues manejamos diferentes especialidades en cuanto a comida y obviamente servicio. Somos uno de los mejores restaurantes a nivel Huatulco y estamos ubicados en la bahía del Maguey. Son ustedes muy bienvenidos y muy bien tratados.
Gracias. Gracias. Can it be more exotic than this? Skål. happy days here, happy holidays. Everybody's just enjoying themselves so much here. Oh, so fresh.
Where do you wanna go with me? Come, let's go. Come, let's go. World is open. World is open. World is open with me.
Now we're in the harbor.
Video. Thank you for you. Perfect. Okay. See you. Well, thank you very much.
When you visit Huatulco, Oaxaca, Mexico, you should really take the tours with Huatulco Tours and Travel. They are so amazing. I have been on these 3 tours now and they were all super exciting. I love it, I can really recommend it. Huatulco is such an amazing city, I really love it. I had an amazing stay here in Huatulco and did so many things. Like and subscribe to my channel so you also see my next video that goes to Oaxaca. Love it. See you.